Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two accounting software platforms, which is RefreshMe and FreshBooks. So let's get started with a quick analysis and quick overview. In 2025, choosing between RefreshMe and FreshBooks depend on your specific financial management need, and here is a concise comparison to help you decide. So talking about the RefreshMe, which is best for personal finance management. It's also ideal for individual and families seeking to manage their personal finances. So here are the key features. It has a budget tools together with an expense tracking and a banking integration and a privacy security. And talking about the pricing, it has a plan start at $12 per user, which is per month, and the pros and cons are also very nice. So starting with the pros, it is user-friendly interface tailored for personal finances, and it is affordable pricing for an individual. And talking about the downside of RefreshMe, it lacks a business-specific features like invoicing and time tracking, and also not designed for managing business finances. And talking about FreshBook, on the other hand, is ideal for freelancers and small businesses owners needing a comprehensive account tools. I'm talking about the key features such as invoicing, expense and time tracking together with the project management. I'm talking about the price plan. The price plan starts at approximately $17 per month. And talking about the downside about this platform, this has a higher starting price compared to personal finances tools and may more complex for users only needing a basic personal finances management. And here's a very conclusion. So if you are an individual looking to manage your personal finances with tools focused on budgeting, expenses tracking and privacy, just go for RefreshMe. On the other hand, if you are a freelancer or a small business owner needing a robust account features like invoicing, time tracking and a financial report, just go for Refresh or FreshBook. And that's it.